How to add music on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add music on your CapCut video editor. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up, you should get an interface like this. You want to tap on new project option and select the video that you want to add the music to. Once you open it up, you'll get an interface like this. Right now, here at the bottom of the screen you can see the edit option and audio option. You want to simply tap on the audio option at the bottom of the screen, and you can see sounds, copyright, effect, extracted and record. Now if you have previously any extracted songs from your device or extracted song from any of your videos on this CapCut, then you'll be able to find it on the extracted option. If you want to add some effects, you'll find it on the effects option. If you want to add an external audio by recording it, then you can simply tap on record option that you can see here. Or if you just want to add music from your device, you want to simply tap on sounds option here. Once you tap on sounds here, you'll be able to head into this files option, and here you'll see you can get your sounds, the extracted sounds here, and from device. If you have any songs on your device, simply tap on from device and you'll be able to see the songs from your device. If you have the audio from a video and you want to export a audio from the video, you want to simply tap on this extracted option and tap on extract sound from video, and here you can simply select the video that you want to extract the sound of. And once you tap on, you want to tap on import sound only, and you'll be able to import this sound only. Now in this case, I'll just select this video and import sound only, and you can see the audio has been exported. Simply tap on plus. Now you can either tap on this or you can head into FX and use this recommended music, or you can add some from your device that you have already on your device by simply tapping on plus, and it should be added here, and you can see the music has been added. You can adjust it by dragging it. So this way you can add music on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.